Hello everyone, in today's video we will talk about how to upload an incentive invoice. So let's get started. As we can see in our login profile, there is a payments tab. Kindly click on that. There is an incentive option. Once we click on the incentive option, this type of page will open on your screen. Please click on the request money tab to claim the available incentive. The bill format is available in the download section to request the incentive. Then describe the format in which you intend to process the bill. If a GST number is mentioned in your login, kindly fill out this incentive form. If your login account does not have a GST number, then fill out this incentive form. Please fill in all the required details in the incentive application form, such as PAN number, name, address, phone number, GSTN, and description of incentives, etc. Important note, please upload a digitally signed bill or a manually sealed and signed bill to process the bill request further.